Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, you'll learn how to make sunset painting using gouache paint. First, tape your paper using a masking tape. All the products used in this video is mentioned in the description box. You can go and check that out. I'll be using Bristol gouache paint. You can even use poster color. It will give the same effect. Now, take some purple color in a plate, some ultramarine blue, and then some orange color. Mix it with white to make some pastel shades of these colors. Start applying pastel blue color on top of the part of the page and spread it evenly. Then spread pastel purple color on half of the page. Take some yellow color and spread it evenly. Now you'll take the same pastel purple color shade and apply on the lower part of the page. Take some orange color to make the sunset. Take some white and mix it with all the color on the page to make the colors look even and pastel. Blend in some yellow to make the sunset look more bright. Start making clouds using some peach color mixed with pink. Your clouds could be of any shape you want. Make some faint clouds using little tint of those colors. Take a thin paintbrush and create an uneven line using black color. Using a dry paintbrush dipped in black paint, create the bushes. Just try to drizzle your paintbrush. Using a dry paintbrush, smudge the black paint as shown in the video. Now make some branches using a thin paintbrush. Now using the same method, we'll draw the leaves as we made the bushes. Remember to use a dry brush dipped in little bit of diluted black paint to create the leaves and bushes. Create some reflection in water using some peach color. Now remove the tape carefully. And your painting is ready. Like the video if you loved this and subscribe for more.